Alright, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one that came out of a Zenpop snack box, actually. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount on their ramen or snack box. Maybe all of them, I really don't know. But this is an Acecook Sanrio characters collab thing, and I think it's a Shoyu. Hello, kitty. Oh. There it is. There's the lid, and there was some kind of contest, and it seems to be over. I wanted to win, but I guess I can't. Filled to line with boiling water. Done. So it is Monday, and last week I did reviews Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday I did 3 reviews a day, so there's 9. And then the other 3 days I did 4 reviews a day, which is in all 21 over 6 days. I'm going to do just all week, I'm going to do 4 reviews a day. So, I guess this episode will come out, mid-October? This is getting kind of, I'm really far ahead. Which is nice, but it's also kind of like, but it's good. It's good. I've got tons of stuff to review. God, I probably got like maybe 15 of these Zenpop varieties to go through. I even got a box that I haven't unboxed yet right now. I've got one of their snack boxes that my daughter and I need to go through and do a special thing on. This came, gosh, I want to say in 2013 or 14. This little bowl. We've kept it around for years for snacks and junk. I actually got it for my wife. It was from before the kids were even born. But it came with a tonkatsu variety. But just like all freaking bowls I get from different companies, it seems like. None of the bowls fit the product that they're selling. So like, I've got this really nice Marchand bowl, right? 50th anniversary Nissan Top Ramen Bowl. Or I think it was a 50th. No. You make a pack of Top Ramen, according to instructions, put it in that bowl. It's like that far below the lip. So it's like maybe if you made 2 packs of it and put it in there. But it's just ginormous. But it's a rad bowl. The Indomie one kind of fit well. Then I've got another Marchand bowl that if you put one of their instant lunch varieties in there, it would fit, but of course it'd be really low. And if you tried to put one of their ramen noodle soups in there, if it didn't overflow, it'd be like so close to the top that it would be crazy. So it's like, I'm sure the issue is they do try to make these bowls fit things, but it's impossible, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, we are about done here. So this is what a Sanrio Hello Kitty and Friends kind of noodle cup looks like, at least this one. You'll notice that it's got tons of flour foo, if I can get one. There's one. See? I don't know if it's a flour foo or a kamaboko. It's fish cake. Let's give this a try. Yeah. A lot of these tie-ins, the broth's not bad. the deal with a lot of these tie-ins is that they want you to buy it because it's got a popular character on it. Now, generally, that's the selling point. It's like those the best case in point, and somebody brought these up last night, were the Rap Snacks cups, because they have popular rap stars on them. Well, guess what? They're private label, they're made in China, and they're absolutely horrible. They've got great names like Prime Rib and this and that and the other thing, but they're just not. They're not good. They don't taste like Prime Rib. Are you freaking high? Yeah, I don't understand why they do that. But it's what they do. I think we're gonna leave it at that. I don't think I'm gonna go too in depth with this. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. It's not very good. And the reason for that is just for like reasons stated. They don't spend a lot of time on the noodle, they just spend a lot of time on the licensing. So let's let it spin. Cool, thanks for watching. Yeah, peeling through these pretty quick today. The next one will be this Tom Yum variety from FF, which is actually Fashion Foods of Thailand. And I'm going to cook this one up, and yeah, I need to go out to the garden. I need to get some holy basil. Yeah. Alright, it's been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment in noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.